How to flip NFT, step by step. Unless you've been living under a rock, you will have heard of NFT and the colossal disruption they're bringing into the digital space. Average monthly trading volumes went from $64 million in the first half of 2021 to more than $750 million in the second half. Getting in on NFT early is a great way to increase your net worth or strengthen your portfolio. But if you're yet to jump in, don't worry, it's not too late to get started. Many people are already flipping NFT in days for an easy 10 to 50% profit, reinvesting the money in bigger opportunities. For example, take the pixel art collectibles CryptoPunks. In October 2017, a CryptoPunk was sold for $456. Currently, the very same NFT is worth over $26,000, quite an increase in value. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. Today, I am going to teach you how to flip NFT and make huge profits. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Flipping is a loose term for buying items at low prices and selling quickly for a profit. It's existed forever from the days of flipping trading cards, toys, and comics for profit, and we're now seeing an enormous wave in the NFT space. You can only flip valuable stuff, and NFT have proven to be valuable, rapidly attracting all sorts of investors. Besides holding Bitcoin and alts or creating and collecting tokenized art for the long term, you might want to get in on high-volume NFT projects for quicker returns. Although risky, flipping NFT is a relatively fast way to boost your portfolio. While it might not be known to many, one of the most common ways to make a profit buying an NFT is by flipping it. In order to flip your NFT, simply purchase an NFT, then instantly put it back on sale for an increased price. The best part about flipping an NFT vs flipping traditional things like a house is that a non-fungible token doesn't need to be remodeled or updated. You simply buy it, then sell it. While brainstorming ideas for an NFT art or collectibles you want to sell, it is important to know what appeals to a crypto audience. Symbols and characters familiar to the crypto community is a great and safe bet. Many big artists, such as Beeple, have used Bitcoin symbolism. Other firm favorites include Shiba Inu dogs, anime, and of course, apes. Good examples of these include the Dogepound, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and WeFusion. Another appeal of NFT in the crypto world is movement. With digital art, it's much easier to sell animations and moving pieces. Finally, the crypto community love memes. Lushucks, a famous Australian street artist, is now a top-grossing artist in the NFT space. Mainly, this is due to his strategic trolling and provocative memes. Moreover, NFTs centered around popular memes like Rare Pepe's, Disaster Girl, Sad Doge, and Disapproving Kid have all sold for hefty sums. If you're really serious about the business of flipping NFT for profit, then you might want to try out the popular options that truly draw the attention of the NFT community and networks. This step-by-step guide will break down the fundamentals of NFT trading so you can start flipping the right way and avoid severe losses while making a decent profit. When it comes to flipping NFT, selecting what to invest in is probably the most challenging part. Multiple variables are needed to do it correctly. Everyone has a different take and you need a unique talent to do this right. I will share 3 fundamental elements that have helped me a lot. 1. Artist or team background. The artist or team background is probably the closest variable to identify the long-term success of a project. In the case of collections, you should look at the founding team. A team usually consists of developers, artists, and marketing/influencers in the space. You should ask yourself, what is their individual track record? Do they have a solid reputation? Are they openly sharing their identity? In the case of independent artists, you can look at their artistic education, consistency over time, previous sales volume, and collaborations. You can't fake your background, reputation, and fans. 2. Floor price. The floor is the cost and the cheapest item in a project. The floor tells you how much someone needs to spend to get in. It is also a great way to understand the current trend. The floor indicator is not magic as it can be manipulated by buying sprees. Therefore, you could use it to feel the stability of the project. High volatility could mean market manipulation and exponential wins or losses, while steady and stable prices could mean things are more organic but slower. Both in pros and cons, be aware of both situations. 3. Volume. Volume is the number of transactions a specific collection or artist has over time. Low volume is related to a reduction in price, while high volume is related to liquidity. Always make sure you are in a bull market or a market that is uptrending. This should help you hit many high-value NFT. There are many different sites you can use to check the volume of NFT. Usually you want to just check OpenSea sales/volume. Use multiple different sites and looking at charts to find the tops and bottoms to better determine the volume or sales. How to promote your NFT. To get quick sales and daily profits off NFT flipping, you will have to promote your art. There are many ways in which you can market their NFT to make sure they get a good deal while selling them. Follow these tips to get your NFT in the eyes of a wider audience. 1. Use your social media channels. Social media marketing is a great way to make yourself known. If there is an NFT collection of several NFT, the artists will post them on all their social media accounts and present each one. At least 2 weeks before the drop, it's necessary to start preparing your audience for the release. Twitter, Instagram, Discord, Medium are the most popular platforms to showcase your drop. 2. Establish an NFT community. Building your NFT community on platforms like Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, and others is one strategy to sell your NFT. That begin sharing blogs that educate others about the importance of NFT. Because non-fungible tokens are still new, you should publish informative videos and use a storytelling approach to help people understand more about them. Begin participating in pertinent conversations and assisting members of the community. Fellow crypto aficionados could benefit from your posts, tips, and comments and show interest in your art. 3. Use search engine optimization techniques. Another effective method is to improve visibility through search engine optimization. You want people searching for NFT markets or trying to buy a specific NFT in your niche to see your NFT. NFT investors frequently use search engines to find the best NFT to invest in. This is when SEO comes in handy. Working with an SEO agency can help your NFT website rise in the search rankings, resulting in increased organic traffic for relevant search queries. As NFT popularity grows, you'll receive more bids and, as a result, better pricing. In the long run, a minor investment in SEO can pay off handsomely in terms of NFT income. 4. Using content creation. In simple terms, you must explain your NFT initiative to your community. You may use content marketing in a variety of ways to educate prospects about your product. Long articles, infographics, keyword-focused blog entries, and other methods can be used to accomplish this. You may also share your articles on Hacker Noon, How to Token, and CryptoPanic, as well as Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, and other social media sites. Flipping NFT isn't something you might get right the first time, but the market does have a lot of potential, so you shouldn't give up if you don't see the results you expect. With time, you could improve your ability to flip and market the right NFT for huge profit in hundreds of thousands or even millions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.